Welcome back, deep thinkers. Has someone ever gotten upset with you for over communicating something with them? How about just sharing a little bit too much of the truth? For an example, if someone were to ask, how does this shirt make me look? Or something like that, the typical, triggering offense type question scenario. All of those scenarios are things that we continue to recreate by perpetuating those myths. The honest answer is always the best answer, although the ego may not be able to cope with it right off the bat if it has not already been softened. So, yield your heart to one another, soften that edge that's causing you to disconnect, to fail to communicate with one another, and let's repave those bridges of bounty, peace, love, and all that old school stuff.